everyone, welcome to the Everyday Weight Loss Hacks YouTube channel. Today we're going over 7 ways to boost motivation and get more weight loss tips. You ready to do this? Let's talk weight loss, but more importantly, let's talk about how to light a fire under your butt and keep it burning. We're going to dive deep into 7 powerful ways to not only boost your motivation, but to keep uncovering those weight loss breakthroughs you need to succeed. We're talking about proven tactics backed by science and real-life transformations. Make sure to watch until the end for one of the most surprising weight loss motivational tips ever. Bet you can't guess what it is. Tip number 1, set clear and achievable goals. Listen up, because this is where the magic starts. Goals are the roadmap to your success. But here's the thing, they can't be some vague pie-in-the-sky dreams. Oh, I want to lose weight. Yeah, we all do. Get specific, get real. How much weight? By when? What are you going to do to make it happen? Write this down. I'm serious. Grab a pen and paper or open up your phone and write down your big, audacious goal. Now break it down. What are the smaller milestones you need to hit along the way? These are your stepping stones. Each one you crush will fuel your fire and propel you forward. Think of it like climbing a mountain. You don't just teleport to the top, do you? You conquer it one step at a time. The view from the summit is incredible, but you know what else is incredible? The feeling of accomplishment every time you reach a base camp, every time you push past a challenge and come out stronger on the other side. And don't be afraid to adjust your goals as you go. Life happens, circumstances change. The key is to stay flexible, to adapt and overcome. Maybe you hit a plateau, that's not a failure. It's a signal to reassess, to tweak your approach. Remember, this is a journey, not a race. The most important thing is to keep moving forward, even if it's just one step at a time. Set those goals, break them down, and celebrate every single victory along the way, no matter how small. Thank you for watching our channel, by the way. Liking the weight loss info so far? Great. Please like this video, subscribe, and turn on all notifications to the Everyday Weight Loss Hacks channel. You're the best, by the way. Now back to the tips you came here for. Tip number 2, leverage the power of accountability. We are not islands, people. We are stronger together. One of the most powerful tools in your arsenal is accountability. This isn't about feeling ashamed or judged. It's about building a support system that will lift you up when you stumble. Think about it. When you're only accountable to yourself, it's easy to hit the snooze button on that workout or reach for that bag of chips. But when you know someone else is watching, someone else is counting on you, you're far less likely to let them down, and more importantly, let yourself down. Find your tribe. Find the people who will cheer you on, who will call you out when you're slacking, and who will celebrate your wins as if they were their own. This could be a workout buddy, a supportive friend, a family member, or even an online community. There's something incredibly powerful about knowing you're not alone in this journey. Sharing your goals, your struggles, and your triumphs with others creates a bond that can push you further than you ever thought possible. And hey, don't be afraid to be the cheerleader too. Support others, offer encouragement, and watch how that positive energy circles right back to you. Remember, we rise by lifting others. So find your people, build your tribe, and let's conquer this together. Tip number 3, create an environment that fuels success. Let's talk about your surroundings for a minute. You know that saying, out of sight, out of mind? Well, it applies to your weight loss journey too. If your pantry is stocked with junk food and your fridge is full of sugary drinks, guess what? You're setting yourself up for a major battle of willpower. Think of your environment as your secret weapon. Make it work for you, not against you. Do a clean sweep of your kitchen. Toss the processed crap, the tempting treats, and replace them with whole, nutrient-dense foods. Make it easy to make healthy choices, but it's not just about the food. Create spaces that inspire you to move. Set up a home gym, even if it's just a corner of your living room with some dumbbells and a yoga mat. Lay out your workout clothes the night before so you have no excuse not to grab them and go. Surround yourself with visual reminders of your goals. Put up inspiring quotes, vision boards with pictures of how you want to look and feel, or even just sticky notes with your daily affirmations. Make it impossible to forget what you're working towards. And don't forget about the power of positive influences. Follow social media accounts that inspire you, listen to motivational podcasts, and surround yourself with people who support your journey. Remember, your environment is a reflection of your mindset. Make it a sanctuary that supports your goals and watch your motivation soar. Tip number 4, tap into intrinsic motivation. Here's the thing about motivation. The most powerful kind comes from within. It's not about fitting into that smaller dress or getting compliments from others, although those can be nice bonuses. It's about how you feel when you prioritize your health, the energy that surges through your veins, the confidence that radiates from within. That's intrinsic motivation, baby. It's about connecting with the deeper reasons why you want to lose weight. Is it to keep up with your kids? To have more stamina for the things you love to do? To feel comfortable in your own skin? Tap into those feelings. Write them down, create a vision board, or simply remind yourself of them every single day. Because when your why is strong enough, the how becomes so much easier. It's about shifting your focus from external validation to internal satisfaction. It's about falling in love with the process, with the feeling of getting stronger, healthier, and more vibrant every single day. Remember, this is about so much more than a number on the scale. It's about becoming the best version of yourself, inside and out. And that, my friends, is the most motivating force of all. Tip number 5. Incorporate cutting-edge visualization techniques. Let's talk about the power of your mind for a minute. You know that feeling when you're about to nail a presentation or ace a test? You've visualized it, haven't you? You've seen yourself succeeding in your mind's eye. Well, guess what? The same principle applies to your weight loss journey. Visualization isn't just some woo-woo concept, it's backed by science. When you visualize yourself achieving your goals, you're essentially creating a mental blueprint for success. You're priming your brain to make it happen. So close your eyes for a second and imagine yourself at your goal weight. See yourself feeling confident, energized, and radiant. Visualize yourself rocking that outfit you've been eyeing, moving with ease and grace, and feeling absolutely unstoppable. The key is to make it vivid, to engage all your senses. What do you see, hear, smell, taste, and feel? The more real you make it in your mind, the more likely you are to make it your reality. And don't just visualize the end goal, visualize the steps along the way. See yourself making healthy choices, crushing your workouts, and overcoming challenges with strength and determination. Remember, your mind is a powerful tool. Use it to your advantage and watch your weight loss dreams become your reality. Tip number 6, reward yourself the right way. Who doesn't love a good reward? It's human nature to crave that sense of accomplishment, that little pat on the back for a job well done. But here's the thing, when it comes to weight loss, not all rewards are created equal. If you're celebrating a week of healthy eating with a pizza binge, you're basically hitting the self-sabotage button. It's like taking 2 steps forward and 3 steps back. The key is to find rewards that align with your goals, rewards that make you feel good inside and out. Think about it, what truly motivates you? Is it a new workout outfit, a massage, a weekend getaway, or maybe just a quiet night in with a good book? Choose rewards that support your journey, not derail it. Maybe it's a new recipe book to fuel your healthy cooking adventures, or a fitness tracker to monitor your progress. Maybe it's a donation to a cause you care about in honor of your milestones. And don't be afraid to celebrate the small victories too. Did you choose a salad over a burger? High five! Did you crush that workout even though you wanted to stay in bed? You're a rock star. Remember, every step forward is a reason to celebrate. So find your healthy rewards, indulge guilt-free, and keep that motivation burning bright. Tip number 7, educate yourself continuously. Knowledge is power, my friends. The more you know about nutrition, exercise, and how your body works, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions that support your weight loss goals. Don't fall for fad diets or quick fixes. They're usually unsustainable and can even be harmful in the long run. Instead, focus on building a solid foundation of knowledge from credible sources. Read books, listen to podcasts, consult with registered dietitians or certified trainers. The more you learn, the more you'll understand that weight loss isn't about deprivation. It's about nourishing your body with the nutrients it needs to thrive. It's about finding what works best for you, your body, and your lifestyle. Because we're all different, what works for one person may not work for another, and that's okay. The key is to experiment, to listen to your body, and to adjust your approach as needed. And don't be afraid to challenge conventional wisdom. The world of health and fitness is constantly evolving, so stay curious, stay informed, and never stop learning. Remember, knowledge is the key to making empowered choices that lead to sustainable, long-term results. So keep learning, keep growing, and keep crushing those goals. Watch this video now.